So hope you guys doing great. On this section, I'm going to show you how you're going to get your affiliate links from all these products that you're using, the tools that you're using, that you're going to earn extra income from it, and it's going to pay for itself. Right. So on ClickMagick, on the affiliate section, I think I've made almost like $3,000 from the affiliate section, and then I have almost 72 affiliates using ClickMagick, because ClickMagick is so powerful that every marketer needs it. These are the kind of tools that you can't do without. Okay, so if I go to all time, you can see that actually made a whole lot of money with it. $4,194. Total referrals are 72. Okay, and I don't even run traffic to it. You don't need to run traffic to it. Okay, you just have to give it to the next athletes who want to duplicate your success, because they need all the tools they're using. Because if you want to be like me, you want to make money like me, then you have to use everything that I'm using that's bringing me the money. Okay, the tools and resources that I'm using that generating me the income is what you need to use. Because if you don't use them, you can't be able to make money, because you can't be able to track your income. Okay, you can't be able to track everything that's happening inside your business. So it's very, very important to have ClickMagick. These are some of the tools that you can't go without. You can't resist as an affiliate marketer. These are the things that you need in order to be successful. So when you go to Aweber, I've been using Aweber from 2014. Okay, as you can see, and all the years, my first month, or let me say my first year, I wasn't even promoted it. I was just, still learning. All right. So the following year, 2015. I have people using it as well. Okay, I have a lot of people using it. I made almost $142 from it, and then it was $19 a month at that time. Okay, so as the year grows, people drop off, people quit, and then I'm not in, because almost 95% of the people online are not building their list. They're not building their email list. Even if you tell them, they don't take it serious, and they forget that your email list is your money. You're gonna buy traffic. You're gonna send traffic to any product or offer. You're gonna need to collect your leads. You can keep your lead. As you can see, I've been keeping my lead from 2014 all the way to this year, 2022. I have a huge email list, and if I don't do this, like if I send one email out to my entire list, I make money. Your email list is your ATM machine. Your email list is your bank. No matter the product, businesses come and goes. Opportunities come and goes, but your email list will remain with you forever. Okay, any business that come out tomorrow, you can send it out to them, and they're gonna buy. So that's why you need the importance of email list. Okay, so keep it tight. Okay, so with lead pages, I'm actually using ClickFunnels, which is very expensive, $197, and the lead pages is like cheaper. So I switched to lead pages, so everyone can be able to to get on lead pages. Lead pages I think like $47 a month. So I haven't done anything with it. I haven't even set up anything yet. But in ClickFunnels, I made almost like 50K with ClickFunnels alone. Okay, so guys, this is something that you need. So you need to pay real attention and focus and sign up, create your account, and set up your affiliate section. Go to the affiliate, all right? ClickMagick affiliate, and create an account. You'll be approved immediately. And also go to the Aweber, create an account. You'll be approved as well. The lead pages. Also, you'll be approved, but there's a few questions you need to answer. Okay, let them know you are an affiliate marketer and you have a huge following, and you're gonna share it with your team members, and they're gonna create an account. They're gonna use lead pages, and you will be approved as well. Okay, so guys, it is what it is. These tools, most people are scared that how will they be? They are not making money right now. How will they be able to afford to pay the monthly subscriptions? How will they pay for it? And I say, hey, it's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to learn from the right person, and they teach you how to do it the right way. You're gonna make money with the same tools that you're using, and it's gonna pay for itself. So basically, you're using it for free. Use it for free. Simple as that. Have you ever heard about this? Have anybody ever taught you about this? This is why I'm giving everything out for free this year. I want everybody to make money. I want everybody to feel comfortable running their business successfully and never care about 9 to 5 again. So guys, it is what it is. Get set up and let's go.